Quality trees start in the greenhouse. Many of the most important characteristics of tree quality, such as genetics and root structure, are determined during this critical stage of the tree's development. The first step in the ACT growers process deals with liner propagation. This step requires member growers to use ACT-approved liner propagation systems.
Hi, my name is Todd Gentry. I'm Director of Small Container Production here at Cherry Lake Tree Farm. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about liner trays. This is the liner tray 38. It's a 38 cell tray, air root pruned on the bottom. This is probably what the majority of propagators are using throughout the country today. This tray is it has ridges on the interior side of it. It's designed to force the roots to grow downwards towards the air hole on the bottom. A typical plant would look something like this. Over time, what we've learned is this can cause issues with this tray. The roots will grow down and then also turn once they get to somewhere in the bottom and can grow back upwards. This will create more of a liner shell. This is what the liner will look like after it comes out of this tray. That cone, similar to this, and you'll see this tray, this root coming down here, going to the bottom where it turns and grows back up. So it creates this kind of spring reaction. This is a tree grown in a 3-gallon, several months after planted from a liner that was grown in a liner tray 38. You can still see the shell of the liner here, and you see how the roots grow out, and they're deflected right away from the liner wall and it's grown straight down, looks just like the original liner from the liner tray. Here's the comparison. So this turns into this several months later.
The following liner propagation systems are ACT approved. Each of these systems provide consistent air root pruning and produce a large root system, which allows the ACT grower to shave the liner root system prior to planting in a 1-gallon or 3-gallon air pruning container.
This is the Ellie pot, another ACT approved liner propagation system. It's a paper pot. Roots grow through the paper where they're air pruned. Comes in multiple different sizes. We prefer the largest size here. At Cherry Lake Tree Farm, we use this pot to grow primarily our cutting grown oaks and cutting grown elms. This is the Pioneer pot propagation system. This is another ACT approved system. This has a grid-like structure which provides lots of air, 360 degrees. It's a unique 3-part system. You have the pin, it opens up like this, and in the bottom there's a grid. We like this pot because it produces a large root ball. It's ideal for shaving when we take it to the next step, which is a very important part in the ACT process. This is the Anderson Band 36. It's another ACT approved liner tray. It has root pruning, air root pruning on the bottom here. It does not have as much air root pruning as other liner propagation systems, but it does produce a very large root ball. By having a much larger root ball, we're able to shave the roots, and then there will still be enough roots remaining that will minimize the shocking and produce a very high quality 3-gallon.
Research and technology are helping to advance the science of propagation. ACT Growers is continuously evaluating new propagation systems in search of the perfect liner solution. The following liner propagation systems are currently being evaluated.
This is the rocket pot. It's out of Australia. Lots of air root pruning. all the way around. It's very similar to the air pot. Air root pruning on the bottom, and all the way around. The rocket pot. This is another version of the Pioneer pot. Two-part system. This is the tray that holds it, which is designed to be kind of a shield or a skirt to help with the dry down in the greenhouse. Again, there's lots of air root pruning all the way around. Very large root ball. Air root pruning on the bottom. The new Pioneer pot. This is another version of the Pioneer pot. It's a very long, very tall tube. Lots of air root pruning on the bottom as well. Another version of the Pioneer pot.
Starting with a quality liner is an essential first step on the path to producing high-quality trees with high-quality root systems. The next step in the ACT Growers process is to take this liner and shave the root system prior to planting in a 1-gallon or 3-gallon air pruning container.